Hi, have you ever wondered how to use Google Trends for your business in 2021? Well, let's find out how to do this right now. Hi, everybody. I'm Jason. I help people overcome their tech with tips, tools, and products. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Again, as always, in the description below will be my tools I use and as well as my Mac M1. So definitely grab that while you can because they're all on sale right now. So click that link, buy your Mac M1s. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Google Trends for your business. So all you need to do, first step, is just Google Trends. And so I already have it up here right here. So what it is you're basically finding what are the top search terms for products, your niche that you need, or what's trending. And so right here, for example, Taylor Swift is trending, the World Cup's trending, football's trending. The featured product is coronavirus. Well, it's not a product. Is coronavirus, Stop Asian Hate, 15th anniversary this year of things, Lakers, Mavericks, inflation. So what we need to do to find what's trending is simply type in a product or a thing that you want to search. So if I was working in a food industry, I would type in organic food. Okay, press enter. And it tells me the interest over time. It tells me I can search by region. So let's do California. Let's do California. All right. And basically it shows me the top search one is going to be organic baby food. So if I was to do an organic food place, I know that I would definitely want to order a lot of organic baby food because that would be the hot thing that's trending. All right, let's do another topic. Let's do, for example, LaCroix, the drink, that's sparkling water drink. Okay, so it's telling me right away that the first one that's really trending is grapefruit, and then the next one is people are looking up flavors. So if I was to work at a food place, I would want to order the grapefruit flavor because that's what it's telling me that's trending. Let's go to another one. Let's do, it's kind of fun too. Let's do Apple, okay? Apple products. So it's telling me right now that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is their most popular product. I mean, this is really great because it tells you exactly, and you can click on it, and it tells you exactly when it's trending. So of course, when they released it, around this time is when it popped, and it's still going up. And if you scroll down, it's telling you that the case is trending, the store is trending, and where people like to buy it, Best Buy is trending. All right, let's do another one, shall we? All right, let's do movies. Like, what are the trending movies if I was to work at a movie place? All right. It looks like the movie theaters aren't trending, but what is trending are the stream service sites. So HBO Max is the top one right now. All right, people are also asking when are the movie theaters opening. Let's see, scary movies are trending. Harry Potter's trending. Fast and the Furious is trending. All right, let's do another one, shall we? Let's do Disney. Let's see if any particular Disney films trend. All right, so the Hamiltons on Disney Plus is trending. Disney Plus is trending. I don't know what Touch of Disney Tickets is, but whatever Touch of Disney Tickets, that's trending. All right, let's see. Yeah, definitely the Hamilton. I don't know what that is, but that's trending. So as you could see, and it tells you the interest over time. So as you can see, this tool is very helpful in your search, all right? And question of the day, what search terms are you gonna search Google Trends? Let me know in the description below. And if you ever wanna figure out how to read easier in reader mode, check up there, because you definitely don't wanna miss that. See you next time.